Hi everyone, I'm coming to you with crazy hair, like it's very puffy over here. And it's actually Women's Day today. It's a public holiday in South Africa. I almost said Cape Town. That's not right, is it? That's so not right, honey. You have to know where that's from. I am going to be doing my second episode of like minimalism, clearing out and decluttering. This time we are doing my makeup. I know I said that I would be doing the kitchen and like the utilities closet next, but it's just worked out that today I have some time. Sean is at the gym, and so Sean's at the gym. I could be having a nap because I just feel a bit ill today, but it's basically like 3 weeks until we move. Tomorrow it will be 3 weeks exactly, which freaks me out quite a lot. I just need to get on top of things. I need to make sure that I've decluttered everything. So I think this evening we'll probably need to do some of the kitchen, so I'll film that as well. But for now we are doing beauty stuff. You guys saw my previous one, which was like our laundry cupboard and a little bit of our bathroom cupboard, that kind of stuff. You guys really seem to enjoy that. I'm gonna stop rambling now and I'm gonna get on to clearing up this room. I'm gonna show you first what it looks like just all around. A disclaimer, I have more stuff than the normal person in terms of beauty and skincare and stuff. I'm gonna do skincare in this video as well, so that'll be my bathroom cupboard. Wish me luck, because skincare is my weakness. So I have a lot more makeup and skincare than most people because that is what I do. I also am a makeup artist, although I'm not really a practicing makeup artist right now. So I'm a little bit in this phase of like, do I keep all my makeup for my kit or do I give it away? I just don't know. And then also just a quick little like run through of tips going through beauty stuff and makeup. Foundations have an expiry date. So let me actually just show you this. So let's quickly look at the product. This is the Clinique Even Better Glow Foundation. It's new, so I know that it's perfectly fine. You can see on the back that it has a little tub and there's a 2 and a 4 and an M. So it's basically saying 24 months. So I have 2 years to use this product. And you basically just need to try and guess when you bought it. So I know the stuff that I got in America. I know I got this in America. I know I got this BB cream just before I left. I have had these probably for a couple of months. I need to just, I think, go back and see how long I've had them. I probably had this almost 12 months. I think I've got to check. I'll go through everything and kind of see. You'll see that like products like this, it looks like it's separating. And I actually do need to check this because this might actually be past its date. And I haven't even used half of it. How sad is that? Did that. Okay, anyway, so let me just show you what we're working with. This area over here is where I get ready in the morning, and then if we pan up, this is more like display stuff. So I will actually need to clear out some frames as well. And then if we look at the cupboards down here, this is like important documents. I've got boxes down there for camera equipment. This is important papers, which is just, it's a mess. Like, how can you have your important papers in a state like this? And then if you look in these center cupboards, you'll see it's actually quite empty. And then we have more products over here. This is on the other side. There's more display stuff, camera lenses. These are all my fragrances over here. I have more skincare that I've been trying. This is actually finished. I don't know why I'm keeping it. I need to throw it away. And then down here is more product. This is more stuff that I've been wanting to use for probably a year or more, and I haven't gotten around to it. This is a disgusting mess. It's like papers and stuff. There's like our wedding seating chart back there. It's a bit crazy. Okay, so I've got my good old piles. This is the pile of sell stuff. This over here is the stuff I want to keep, and also I'm listening to Anna and Lily's podcast. I will do a blog post on podcasts that I've been listening to recently that are helpful in different areas, and also they're great for when you're cleaning out. You actually hear something, it's not just dull. And then this pile over here is giveaway slash throwaway. So some of it is like boxes. The scarves I'll just put in a giveaway pile. Sorry guys, this is gonna be a little bit annoying, but I had like one gum left in the pack, so I just put it in my mouth and now I'm chewing gum in the middle of this video. That's really annoying. I'm gonna stop talking now, and this is gonna be a time lapse because this video is so long. Stuff is all giveaway. I'm gonna add more into this box, but for now this is the stuff I want to keep. I know it's a lot. this is the ultimate throwback. This is when you wanted your lips to look like you put concealer on them, but actually was intentional, and you put lipstick on, you wanted to look a little bit dead. This is the color you used, and this is Viva Glam Gaga 2, and look at that. It literally looks like a shade of concealer. Have you ever seen anything this nude? Okay, I'll put it down the middle. This on my skin tone now. Can you even see it? That over there is that kind of shade. So these are the kinds of shades that I used to wear. I mean, you guys barely see me wear bright shades anymore, although I do. I love something dark like this. This is literally 2011 for me, like the year that I went out a lot. Just out of high school. This is also 2010, my high school year as well. I wore a lot of that. Oh my goodness, that's an ultimate throwback. I cannot even, like, I can't imagine wearing that now.
Yeah.
Say hi. Hi.
Hi. Say hi.
Judah, say hi. Look alive. Not keen.
You see the toy that he wants.
Oh, what a sweet fella. Hi, Lipple. I've taken a break from my packing and sorting, and we are very glamorously using the sliver of sun and these bags of giveaway clothing as chairs and pillows. We're basically just sitting on pillows, giveaway bags with clothing in it as backrests,
in our sunroom,
and having some cake in our sunroom for Women's Day. Thanks, babe. Woo. Okay, Chardonnay Deli makes one of the best cakes. It's a lemon and yogurt cake. Shauna's got white chocolate and
cheesecake.
White chocolate cheesecake. Look at mine, it's so yum. Also the mess that is our sunroom currently. So this is from Chardonnay Deli. This is their lemon and yogurt cake, and it is the best thing ever. Also, I've got a side of Flucin because I'm feeling a little bit sick, so that's fun. One of my favorites of all time. It's from the Wonder Woman collection, and it's the most perfect kind of pinky nude with a little bit of shimmer in it. It made my lips look amazing. You can see that I've literally dug majority of the product out. I used to dig my finger in there, and I'm so excited to let this go, but there's just no point hanging on to it. But I just wanted to show you, this is one of my favorite lipsticks that I had in high school. It's just so pretty. My office is a mess. That's stuff to go to my old college, throwaway stuff, more throwaway stuff, brushes and headbands to clean, so dirty. This is giveaway stuff over here. So this is the very tiny pile of things I would like to keep and put back into my regular makeup routine. So I've actually given away a chunk of lipsticks. This box is deep, like that's a deep box, and it's just filled with lipsticks. I've got bronzers, any sort of face products, bronzer, blush, highlighter in this section over here. In this box is foundations, and then this is brushes in this little bag. This is anything to do with eyes, so eyebrow pencil, eyeliner, eyeshadow, everything's in this box. There are palettes underneath here. This is a look at my my everyday makeup after the clear out. I know it still looks like a lot, but to be honest, I use a lot of these products, and there are some that I just want to start using or find a way to make them work, just because I know that they're great products. So there's lip products over here, some more lip products in this container, concealers, blushes, highlighters, and then I have a couple of bronzers over there. I only have 2 actually. There's some eyeshadow, setting powder, more eyeshadow. These are setting sprays, primer oils, primers, stuff like that. Eyeliners and brow products and brow sets, mascaras, foundations, tinted moisturizers, concealer and corrector, and then obviously my brushes. So I don't feel like that's too much. So if you guys want to see a video on my makeup collection, let me know and I will show you. It won't include my kit because that's just next level. This is just the stuff that I love and I use on a regular basis. So if you want to see a run through of all of these products, let me know. Let me just give you a little bit of an idea of what we're working with today. First shelf is this one. This is predominantly my skincare. This is the gap that you were just sitting in over here, and I've got masks and stuff. I do sort through this quite regularly, but it does get very messy very quickly, and this is a lot. So this is mostly my skincare routine. I've got lots of products that I'm trialing at the moment as well. This is masks, primers, moisturizers, eye creams, exfoliators, all that kind of stuff is right here. If we go down a shelf, we also have body, hair care. This is Sean's basket with like anything related to him. And then this is more crap. So this should actually technically be in this basket over here, because that is a scrub, a body scrub. So things are a little bit messy, bear with me. We've got a lot of Sean stuff over here as well. Even though I tried to contain it to one basket, it spills over. We'll give him that, considering I have that shelf, that, more down there, and more over there. So we'll have some grace for him. This is also like oral care, so like mouthwash and toothpaste and shaving things apparently. He has also given me permission to throw out these things. He's not going to cry later if it's not all here. Lots of stuff in here, and this is stuff that I actually do use and I want to try. So I need to throw this into the pile over here and sort it through and see what needs to go to friends and family, and then also to charity, and then obviously the throwaway stuff that has been here for way too long. I went through this in my first decluttering video, and I said that I like to make piles. So I will put a pile of things that I'm keeping, a pile of things that need to be given to friends and family and they can kind of go through it, and then a pile of definitely donate things. I will have a throwaway pile as well, because there'll be products that are out of date. Obviously I'm trying this minimalist journey, but within reason, because I do have to try a lot of products. This is part of my job, so I can't necessarily scale back to having one cleanser, one serum, one eye cream. That's actually just not possible for me. This is the space where I sort of splurge, where I have a lot of stuff, because skincare is a big deal to me. And talking about skincare, you guys really like seeing it. You like seeing my reviews on Instagram and stuff like that. So even if you didn't come here for skincare advice, check out my skincare videos. And then also if you want more tips on minimalism and decluttering, check out my first video. I will link it over here. It's got lots of really good tips within the video. I think that video is the best one if you're starting out and you're just like, holy crap, where do I start? What do I do? What does minimalist mean? What is decluttering? How do I start the process? That's the best video for you. But also this is more of a like a sequel to that video, even though you would have already seen my kitchen decluttering. But yeah, let's get started. So what I'm gonna do is try and separate things into the product types. So I'm gonna put all my cleansers together, moisturizers, masks, stuff like that, so that I can see what I have and see if I genuinely need like 10 of the same item. So I'm gonna do that now, and then I'm gonna start the actual like clearing out process. Wish me luck. See that anything's happened here, but I have definitely cleared out products. I will show you the evidence. This box is filled with products that are going to go to friends and family that need it. Now I feel like this is okay, and I'm gonna move on. Guys, don't judge me. I really do use all these products. My bathroom is looking an absolute state because there's just products everywhere. This is stuff that just needs to go. It's old. I haven't used it in a while. It's past its expiry date. These just smell funny in this jar, so I'm like, I'll let them go rather. I'm determined to wash these brushes today so that at least they don't just sit here. They can go back into my kit. So all of these products are things I think I can finish before we actually move out, so there's no need to actually move with it. And then all of this stuff is giveaway stuff. So I've got a hair thing over here, and then this is all skincare, body care. I've got a flippin' wide tooth comb in here and this head massage thing. I've just got lots of stuff in here. So those 2 boxes I'm gonna let my friends go through, or I might just donate it. Haven't yet decided. This is also the natural toothpaste that Sean insisted on buying when we went on a little weekend away because he wanted to try it. I feel like he used it once and that was it. Made on 29th of May 2017. When does this go off? Surprise, surprise, it's Sunday night when I've edited this video and it's going up this evening and I have no ending. But I wanted to just hop on here and say I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a lot of time lapses, but basically I just wanted to get through it. And I hope you got an idea of like how much makeup I was working with and skincare. I gave a lot to friends and family. They were blessed with like a lot of stuff. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a makeup collection video, because the stuff that I have now is just stuff that I really, really love and I know I'm going to use. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you got something from it. Hope it inspires you to clear out your own makeup collection. And I will see you in the next packing video. It's not even a decluttering video, it is packing. The moving vlogs are coming. The next one is packing and moving. So yay for moving vlogs. We're in our new place. You can kind of see it behind me ever so slightly, but you guys will see it very soon. There'll also be empty apartment tours for both places, and then getting into this one. So exciting. Remember to subscribe if you're not, and also follow me on Instagram if you want to see like more life stuff and what's going on day to day. You'll see like little tidbits of the apartment if you follow me on Instagram and you see my Instagram stories. I'm very active on Instagram stories, so I'll leave a link to that down here so that you guys can go and follow me. But in the meantime, subscribe for more videos.